Hey guys, well, it's a rainy day and I've had trick-or-treaters today. Turkeys came across the street here and into my yard, so I fed them some pumpkin seeds. Yesterday I had to work on those junipers down there. They are clogged to the gills with needles and pine cones and sticks, and I haven't cleaned them out because I've had a quail family raising young there for the last few years and I didn't want to disturb them, but they moved on now because the neighborhood hawk, was just parked in the tree waiting for them to come out and feed and eat all their babies. So they moved to a different location. I'm going to miss them because they're so fun to watch. But I've been feeding the squirrels some pistachios because they were cheap. They were on sale, believe it or not. Nuts were on sale. And they're tearing up the trees, the pine cones. Food is so scarce for them right now. So, and it's a job just keeping up this yard. I mean, I've already filled my green bin, and thank goodness they do one per month. So, but I've already filled my green bin up just from yard cleanup. When spring gets here, all my beds will be ready. Instead of taking all spring to clean up, I've been busy all winter. And I'm really glad that I've been scooping the poop every day instead of waiting until spring. That was a mistake. That was my one and only time I'll ever do that because I had so much waiting for me and spring cleanup that it was pretty overwhelming. And I like to see results. And with stuff like that, it's hard to see results. So all the bedrooms are painted, and now I have to finish that living room wall. And I've got to spray foam a few windows before summer. And they have to come and fix my window in the living room because I'm feeling cold air coming through the frame down there, and these are under warranty for life, so they get to come and do that for me. So we'll be even cooler and warmer when that's fixed. So I don't know about you, but every time I take a shower, I thank God that I have a shower. And when the air conditioner works, I thank God it works, and I pray to God that it works this summer because I don't like heat. I can manage the cold, but not the heat. So my bed up front, at the very front, with all the rocks and the plants, they're all cleaned out. And these ornamentals that you can't see right now, I have some ornamental, those pointy ones. I forgot what they're called. But I've got most of their beds clean. I think I have 3 more to go. I just have plant of the week when it's garbage time, and I fill up the rest of the can, if there's any room, with whatever I can pull out of my yard. So I haven't even touched the big mound yet. I think I did fill one green bin from the mound of pine needles that I raked this fall. So I'm pretty pleased. And then when spring comes, I get to waterproof my deck again because you do it every year. And that should be easy because I've been cleaning the deck all fall and winter. So it won't take all day just to unclog and stuff. I'm still learning how to manage my property right. Oh, and I put some new soil down for these guys because they are struggling. First, they were clogged with a bunch of crap, and they need some dirt. So I gave them some new soil. So they should be pretty healthy this year. And I'm going to trim off all the dead stuff and make sure that they get their water supply, that everything's fine. And see my beds? I've been pulling the grass as short as possible because I'm going to spray the grass killer. But I don't want a bunch of really long grass out there when I spray it because it'll just kill the blades and not the grass. So I need to be able to get down to the roots to kill it. That's where I messed up last time. I don't think I used enough product either. So that's what I've been up to. Did I show you the bedroom? I might have, my master bedroom. I wasn't happy with the paint, but it's gonna be a pretty color with all my bedroom stuff. See? But it's too pinkish. It was supposed to be more of a deep rose mauve. So I am going to put a different color. Let's see if I turn on the light. If you can see better. No. I'll get close to a color. It's pretty. It's called rose quartz, but it's not quite what I wanted. And I need to change the color. Now I know how to paint better. All of this having to go over it is because I didn't paint very well, you know, but I'm really happy with my new window frames. I think they really stand out and look pretty, better than the old ones, which I'm saving for someone who wants to restore the home back to its original, you know, they'll have the original frame, you know. I need to replace these next because that one is stripped. It just pulls off. So that's a trip to Lowe's. And then hopefully they'll hang up her blinds that I bought today. So she's all set. And this is the wall I'm going to work on. I'm going to find a paint close to the white here to put on that wall. I was going to make it a different color, but that wall will make the room smaller, so I have to choose probably that far wall to put something on it. Yeah, I got a new bruise from all that work yesterday. I got so filthy, but I like to get dirty anyway. All right, well, everyone have a happy Sunday. Bye.